of 607 Sweet Shot basketball. Got it from David Adams. Also got 2 Leaf Limited. I'm gonna bust today. And try to go through as fast. If you can't tell, I only have 4 minutes. I'm gonna try to fly through these. Ooh. Who is this? LeBron James and Jason Kidd, 41 199. That's pretty sick. Kind of gold. I think that's gold.
It's a pretty nice card.
Next pack, base. Not a bad start. I don't know if I said this already. I got these from David Adams. So. Here's our autograph. It's a Hakeem Warwick autograph. Not numbered. Not bad either. Pretty good. All these are for trade. Just let me know. What's this? Stoudemire game used 13 of 50. Not a bad box. You know, our hits are at the beginning. Definitely one of the better boxes I've seen. Base. Our last hit. Our last hit is a Solomon Jones. Rookie auto 735 out of 799. Fly through these real fast. These are pretty much our base. Unless I got lucky, which I'm doubting. Base, for my luck. Got at least 2 boxes of Leaf Limited. So I'll be busting those after I post this video up. You got a numbered card of Wally Serbiak, 36 199. Ex-Timberwolf, I think, pretty sure. T-Wolves, not that great right now. Hopefully next year will be better. Base. 3 packs left. Base. Base, and this one should be base. So not a bad box overall. No Jordan, but what are you gonna do? And base. That's it. Leaf Limited coming up next. Thanks.